Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial on how to withdraw BUSD from your Trust wallet and transfer it over to your Phantom wallet. This is especially useful in 2025, with all the latest updates to blockchain tech making crypto transfers smoother than ever. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and securely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and ready to go. You'll need BUSD in your Trust wallet, and your Phantom wallet should be linked to your Solana account since Phantom is primarily for Solana-based assets. Oh, and always double-check your wallet balances and network fees to avoid any surprises. Step 1. Open your Trust wallet app on your mobile device or browser extension. Navigate to the BUSD token in your wallet. It's usually under the Tokens tab. Tap on it to view your balance. Step 2. Hit the Send button. You'll need to enter the recipient's address. Now, head over to your Phantom wallet, click on the account icon, and copy your wallet address. Make sure it's the correct one for Solana, as BUSD might require bridging if it's not natively compatible. Step 3. Paste that address into the To field in Trust wallet. Enter the amount of BUSD you want to withdraw, and double-check everything: amount, address, and network. Select the appropriate network, like BNB Smart Chain or Solana Bridge if needed, to ensure compatibility. Step 4. Review the transaction details, including any gas fees. Once you're good, confirm the send. You'll get a confirmation prompt, approve it, and wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Step 5. Switch back to your Phantom wallet and refresh it. Your BUSD should appear once the transfer is complete. If you're using a bridge for cross-chain transfers, keep an eye on the bridge status. A quick tip. In 2025, always use hardware wallets for larger amounts and enable two-factor authentication to keep your assets safe. Avoid public Wi-Fi for these transactions to prevent hacks. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw BUSD from Trust wallet to Phantom wallet. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.